personal connection to the Jaguar dynasty. Philip Porter and Fabio Baraldi, our very esteemed expert judges. Here we go. Let's give a big round of applause. The unveiling of the Jaguar XJ13. Almost unique in the world, completed and restored here in Malta. The Jaguar XJ13 replica, amazing stuff. Perhaps Michael would like to say a few words about this vehicle and its presence here at the Valletta Concours.
Thank you very much. Thank you. It's great to be here. I have to say the XJ13 for me is one of my favourite Jaguars ever produced. The fact that there was only one of them. It was destined to race at the Mall. Sadly, regulations changed before they had an opportunity to race it. So I think my grandfather was not 100% behind it. At the Mall. Probably more than one occasion. The original car was in the Jaguar Heritage Collection. Unfortunately, it wasn't actually burnt out. It had a wheel failure and had a barrel roll. So I remember very well. I was lucky to walk out and he did. He stepped out. And I think it is one of those
Michał, jeden progetto.
Thank you, Chris.
Thank you very much. Mr. Michael Quinn there, Michael Quinn, the Lions, an actual member of the Jaguar family, also Philip Porter and Fabio Baraldi, our judges. Chris, congratulations for this amazing achievement. Ladies and gentlemen, this Jaguar XJ13 replica, look at that engine, 12 cylinders, it's a V12 engine, it's beautiful, it's unique, a little bit of history here at the Valletta Concours elegance 2025. If you want more information, there's a book here on this little pedestal that you might want to leaf through later on. Take your time, one by one. But meanwhile, take your pictures, take your video. This truly is a unique vehicle, and it's right here in Malta, in Valletta, at the Valletta Concours. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. The Valletta Concours continues. We'll be here till 5 p.m. We'll be giving out the prizes. The judges will continue their work. Enjoy the rest of the day. Don't forget to attend the art exhibition at the Chamber of Commerce building down the road, the building with columns, the Chamber of Commerce. There's also the Valletta Concours art exhibition, which is related to our automotive and motorcycle event here in St. George's Square.
Thank you.
Thank you.